Johnsy.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Hey, how's the job going?
Good.
So how long you been there now?
It's almost 3 months.
3 months. So walk us through your 3 month process from day one. Like, how did you feel?
First week, I felt very, stressed and a bit scared. But going forward, yeah, I am used to, and it's not that much hard, I think, when compared to Colaberry. That's the first thing I want to tell all our fellow students who are there here.
And what's your job?
I'm an ETL developer, and going forward, they are giving me training on Tableau too and Power BI in soon, but not now.
3 months in, are you feeling like you belong now?
Yes.
You got some projects under your belt?
Yeah, actually, I am the first database developer for this team. It's a newly formed team. They don't have any DB developer here. All of them they have is only Tableau, and they are loading the data from Excel to directly Tableau. Now I am moving them from SSIS to SQL. So I'm the only one developer in the team.
Oh, so you lead the charge, huh?
Yeah.
Right on.